Trailokya Gita, Chapter 15, Yajna Vichara Yogaha, Association of the Enquiry of Sacrifice.
Sadgurau Hitshudha Shante Devatrutyambudashrutehe Anyatha Dhumakalushyat Vijnanoktamavarshanam. There is a faith which says that by doing yajna or sacrifice, which is burning ghee in physical fire, rains will come to earth that help the production of food. And this is also said in the Gita. We are not denying any concept of this except the concept of burning ghee in physical fire. We are only saying that the food is to be burnt in hunger fire of a hungry person. If the food is burnt in physical fire, the smoke produced will cause pollution that stops rains, and this is proved by science. When this food is burnt in hunger fire of Sadguru or human incarnation, the rains will come, since gods are pleased who are present in the body of Sadguru, as said in the Veda. Yavatir vai devataha